It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
With all the house guests this holiday season, did you run out of hot water? Bob Briley from We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air has everything that we need to know about water heaters today. Thanks for being with me.
Thanks for having me.
Well, let's start with this. If you did run out of hot water, what does that mean?
It means you just didn't have enough hot water. You'd be doing a lot of laundry, maybe a lot of cooking, cleaning, more people or people taking longer showers, and that just caused your hot water to go away.
And around the holidays, I bet you that's kind of the prime time to find out that you're going to run out of hot water.
You have a lot more people than you normally have. I mean, 40 gallons, 50 gallons seems like a lot of water, but when you have people taking showers and cleaning and laundry and everything else,
holiday dishes,
it goes quick.
So is there a solution for how you can not run out of hot water?
Yeah, a tankless water heater is a great solution for it.
So let's tell me more about those.
Tankless water heater is basically when you turn the hot water on, it senses it, it heats up the water, and it's constantly hot water from here on out. It never will lose hot water at all.
Are there any drawbacks of why you would not have a tankless water heater?
Just in some situations where you can't put a tankless water heater, like apartments, condos, mobile homes, out in a low electric area, I mean, then you can't really install a tankless water heater. I mean, you can, but you have to do a lot of modifications to actually get it done.
But of course, experts at We Care know how to guide you to the right solutions.
Yes, we can take care of that for you.
So let's kind of compare it to a tank system that a lot of people are familiar with, the big tank. Well, you're talking about space. The big tank takes up a lot of space.
Takes a lot of space up. There's a chance of the tanks actually erupting or failing. You have 40, 50 gallons of water that's just gonna go anywhere in your house. Doesn't take much water to destroy your house.
No, and 40, 50 gallons is a lot of water.
It's a lot of water.
It's continually running even when the tank is empty.
Right.
So you really want to avoid that.
And another way to keep it from actually doing that is doing a lot of maintenance also. At least once a year, have your system maintained.
Okay, so what goes into maintenance both for tankless and tank systems?
Big thing is they're going to flush the system. A tank system, they're going to go ahead and undo the valve at the bottom, flush it out, run it through, get all those deposits that have built up at the bottom. And then also on a tankless system, there's little filters in them that needs to actually be flushed out also.
Well, thanks so much, Bob. So no matter what you're looking for when it comes to your water heating solutions, We Care has your back and can help you get to a knowledgeable solution perfect for your home. Plus, when you mention Approved Home Pros, you will save 10% up to $500. Call We Care today at 619-333-8646 to learn all about your options. You can also find We Care at ApprovedHomePros.com.